Hello, hello, hello. I hope you are fine and well wherever it is that you're watching this from. My name is Tabitha, and I am so happy that you are here with me today because I'm presenting the unboxing of the silver play button that we received from YouTube for having crossed the 100,000 subscriber mark. We crossed this milestone last year on the 12th of December, and we received this plaque earlier this year. We waited for the occasion of our second anniversary to present it before you. Yes, you heard that right. Our channel, Florency, has completed 2 years on YouTube. So go ahead and watch the unboxing clip that we have prepared for you, and I will be right back. We thank God for how far He has brought us, and we are so grateful for you because it is by way of your support and encouragement that this was made possible. For a little bit of background, my mom, Florency, and I together run this channel, and everything you see is produced in-house. The recipe ideas, the video shoot, the editing, and also the music production for all the Konkani tunes that you hear playing in the background, that's all homemade, which makes it all the more special. So if you have any more questions, do drop them in the comments below and I shall try responding to them as soon as I can. Just a heads up, I'm a dentist who has now ventured into the field of design, and that has brought with it a whole change in schedule that we are trying to work around. But we do hope to continue bringing you fresh and good quality content because your time is valuable. And that brings me to the important part that I want you to take away from this video, is that you are special, you are precious, and you are blessed. So until next time, continue experiencing Susegad. I shall talk about that in the near future. God bless you, dear Bale Guru, and Mog Asum. Let there be love.